Your cat isn't trying to pass a hairball. They are fighting for breath. Here is exactly when the hairball myth becomes deadly. First, feline asthma. That violent cough isn't a stomach issue, it's a lung issue. Chronic inflammation causes their airways to severely constrict. If left untreated, a sudden acute attack can completely cut off their oxygen supply. Second, the intestinal trap. If it is fur, but it's stalling in their digestive tract, it can form a massive hardened blockage. This completely shuts down their gut motility, cuts off blood flow, and can cause a fatal tissue rupture. The golden rule: if your cat is doing this urgent hack more than once or twice a month without producing a hairball, stop waiting. It's an immediate red flag for a vet visit. Share this to save a cat parent from a tragic mistake, and comment below. How often does your cat cough?